Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Gemini air sign for the month of November. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your messages, Gemini. Your first card, the reading. Five of Cups, Knight of Swords, Ace of Pentacles. So Five of Cups with a Knight of Swords and Ace of Pentacles. For some, there is separation between both of you, and one person feeling very sad for the separation. One person in this connection is rushing towards the other person, Knight of Swords. Very rushing energy towards the other person. They are in hurry to move towards a person to offer this long-term commitment. Ace of Pentacles this time. Yeah, after the separation, one person moving towards the other person. It could be you or your person, energy could be vice versa depending upon your situation. Definitely energy could be vice versa. So let's see some more cards. Okay, Six of Swords, Five of Pentacles, yeah, and Six of Pentacles. Definitely there is separation. Five of Pentacles, some cold shouldering, and Six of Pentacles, there is no balance and there is no equal give and take in this connection in past. But now I think you want to offer this to your person, or your person maybe want to this to you, equal give and take. And Six of Swords, some communication is going to be happen, and this could be long distance relationship also. You and your person maybe live in different cities, different countries and different states. Yeah, one person want to settle things between both of you. Let's see. Seven of Cups, Nine of Wands, Seven of Pentacles. Yeah, one person invest in this connection more than the other person. Seven of Pentacles, and Nine of Wands and Seven of Cups. Now the person is guarded up. Those who invest in this relationship, the one person who invest more in this connection now want to guard it up, because there is no equal give and take in this past. They are fed up with their person energy. And Seven of Cups, they are seeing other options, or they are in some confusion state, because there is no equal give and take and there is no reason to continue, and they are in some confusion. It could be you or your person. Yeah, Nine of Pentacles, Princess of Pentacles, Knight of Cups. So after the separation, one person like this Nine of Pentacles, they are working on their on self, and they become like this Nine of Pentacles. They stand by their power. They are no more dependent on anyone for emotional and financial support. And Princess of Pentacles, and that person is very clear what they are thinking and what they want, and they are very clear about, and they are very creative. And this person is, and Knight of Cups. Definitely they have emotion for the other person, but still they are working on their they are working towards their goals and their career, and they're very creative. It could be you or your person. One person in this connection is very creative, and they are working hard to become like this Nine of Pentacles. After the separation I am getting, but one person moving towards other person to offer long-term commitment, to offer equal give and take this time. It could be you or your person. So let's see your person current feelings and their energies, then we will get clarity who this person is. So let's see your person current feelings towards you, Gemini. Okay, your first card, the Devil. Second, Four of Wands and Three of Cups. Yeah, your person want this happiness with you, Four of Wands, celebration with you, and this could be you both could be twin flames, 11 and 11. Definitely they want reconciliation if you are in separation. Yes, I think you invest more in this connection, but your person not putting effort in as much as you put in this connection in past. But now your person turn has come. Definitely they want to offer equal give and take this time, and after the separation you are working on yourself, and you like this you overcome and you stand by your power. Now your person want reconciliation with you, Three of Cups with Four of Wands, but there is some obsession also. You or your person could be Capricorn also. Definitely there is some obsession. So let's pull their near future actions towards you. You or your person could be addicted to some bad habits, or there is obsession. You both are obsessed with each other. Energy could be vice versa, because this is general reading. May or may not resonate to everyone. 9 of Pentacles 2 times. King of Cups. 6 of Swords. Yeah, their reactions towards you, they want to write the things between both of you. And King of Cups, definitely they want to offer stability to this connection. And 9 of Pentacles means they want to stand by their power to come towards you. I'm getting they want to be fit to you as financially and emotionally. Yes, they want to grow also, because you also stand by your power. Your person want to grow, and yes, definitely they want to come towards you, and they want to offer King of Cups. Definitely your person want reconciliation with you, Gemini. 6 of Swords, yeah, this could be long distance relationship. Some communication, definitely some communication is going to be happen between both of you. Yeah, your person will make some communication, because they want the reconciliation with you. 6 of Swords 2 times. Page of Pentacles here, Princess of Pentacles here. Knight of Cups, you also have strong emotion for your person. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sag, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. All energies are here. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Okay, 7 of Wands. And the second card, Wheel of Fortune. Wow. And another 2 cards for the connection. Okay, 10 of Pentacles. Wow, the Fool. Yeah, reconciliation, it is granted, because the connection cards are all positive. Definitely you don't want, one person in this connection is don't want to give up. I think it could be your person. Definitely things are turning in connection favors. 10 of Pentacles with Fool, definitely new beginning for some. Those who are not in third party, definitely there is a chance, high chances for reconciliation and new beginnings with your person, because the Fool with 10 of Pentacles, definitely new beginnings. And the stability, your person want to offer stability also. That's why you also going to accept your person offer. If it is not third party, if it is third party, it's up to you totally, depending upon your situation. But I am telling, if it is third party, I think it's not good for you. Right now you are thinking it is enough, but later on you will be feeling like, why I did like that. So think twice before taking any decision, because if it is third party, you have to think. But if it's not, definitely you both are going to be reconciled. Definitely there is something new start between both of you, because things are turning in connection favor. You both, connection means you both. Definitely there is some new beginnings between both of you, Gemini. Wow, very positive ending. So let's see your overall energy for the week. 8 of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, and 4 of Cups. I think after the separation you stand by your power. I think in first you don't want to accept your cup of love which is offered by your person, or you are sad for the missed opportunity with your person. And Knight of Pentacles, definitely your person will come towards you and they will offer, or you are working towards your goals. Knight of Pentacles with 8 of Pentacles, definitely you are concentrating on your working area, you are working on yourself. Let's see your person overall energy for the week. The Star, Knight of Cups, wow, King of Pentacles. I already told you they are coming with the solid offer. Yeah, they have strong emotions for you. They are still hoping for this connection. Definitely most of you, there are new beginnings with your person. And Knight of Cups, they have strong emotions. And King of Pentacles, definitely they want to offer this stable offer to you. And 2 of Pentacles, the juggling is ended between the juggling is ended in your person mind. Definitely they chose you. Yeah, they're coming and they are still hoping for this connection. The Star is here. Definitely a lot of earth energy. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and Aries, Leo, Sag, and Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Wow, very very positive ending. Yeah, most of you, there is reconciliation and there are some new fresh beginnings between both of you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. So please do share, like, and subscribe my channel, and please do support me guys, and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notifications. So thank you so much for the support. So this is the reading guys. Bye.